Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove or sign out of your YouTube account on a TV using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then select Switch Account or Accounts, depending on your version of the app. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. This will open the Google account associated with your YouTube account. Now go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you find the Your Devices section. Then tap on Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently signed in to your Google account. Each device will display its name, location, and the last time it was active. Scroll through the list and look for the device that says YouTube on TV, or the TV you want to sign out from. If you have multiple devices, you can identify the correct one by checking the device name or its location. Once you've found the correct device, tap on it. Now, tap Sign Out. Then confirm that you want to remove your Google account from that device. After confirming, your Google account will be signed out from the TV, which also means your YouTube account will be removed from that TV. That's it. That's how you can remove or sign out of your YouTube account on a TV using your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.